Now, what if I told you a 23-year-old 9 to 5 worker made more money selling digital products than her yearly salary? Or what if I told you a nurse had anxiety so bad that she had to cut her hours down from full time to part time, but made $260,000 in 24 hours?
I'm sorry, that was $260,000 in 24 hours.
What?
Today, I'm breaking down the process, the exact digital products that are making money in 2025. Drop a dollar sign in the comments if you are ready to make real money with digital products in 2025. So, first off, we're going to talk about digital downloads. We all know about Etsy, right? So, let's just look at Etsy. Etsy does have some pros and cons, and we will talk about that shortly, but it's super easy to get started. Digital downloads are one of the easiest to create of digital products. Etsy digital products are exploding right now. Just take a look at these numbers. From patterns, planners, worksheets, checklists, and templates, the list goes on. Digital downloads is so easy to get started, and we're going to talk about that in more detail in another video. The beauty of digital downloads is that you create it once and they sell infinitely. Now you need to update your stuff, though. We'll talk about that too. Next, we're talking about templates. Think of templates as digital Lego sets. And right now, templates happen to be the most profitable digital products. Just take a look at this Notion template, $250 million. Or maybe website templates. So you've got Notion templates, website templates, social media templates, email templates, and even business documents. The list goes on. Number 3, mini courses. There's courses and then there's mini courses. Now here's where it gets interesting because this is definitely a sweet spot for digital products. They give you a quick win and solve a specific problem. So here's the price point, $47 to $197, which is pretty typical for a mini course. Definitely a quick win. Then number 4 is print on demand. Now print on demand, or POD, this is perfect if you are creative and you love physical products, but you don't want to house inventory. There's little to no upfront costs. There's zero inventory and it's automated delivery. Digital products definitely can make us spoiled, but with print on demand, you can actually take a design and make that design be cups, mugs, t-shirts, anything, you name it. You can even have your own coffee. Number 5 is ebooks and audiobooks. That's definitely an ultimate passive income. Here's why. You write it once, it sells forever. And there's multiple formats, and the growth market is humongous. Right now, especially in the audio side, when you look at all the books listed on Amazon and Audible, there's room for expansion. And that could be your product. That could be your audiobook. But let's keep going. Tell me, which one of these caught your attention? Comment below and let me know which specific strategy is your choice. Now, I know you're wondering, okay, which one is best for me? Don't worry, I got you. First, ask yourself, what skills do you have? What problems can you solve? And how much time can you invest? Here's the real secret to creating digital products that sell. Let's break down how to actually create digital products to sell online. I am giving you an exact 3-step framework that so many digital product creators use. Step 1 is market research. Before creating anything, do this. Check Reddit for pain points. Read Amazon's comments and book reviews. Study Etsy's bestsellers. Look for problems that people mention repeatedly. That's your golden ticket. Make something that solves those problems. Then step 2, it's time for product creation. So we know what the problem is. Now it's time for us to solve it and create the product. Here's your tech stack for each product. Digital downloads, Canva, Playground, Google Sheets, and a PDF converter. You can use Canva for free, Google Sheets for free, and Playground for free, as well as a PDF converter. Free, okay? Here's a template stack. So say you want to produce templates. So Notion, which you can use for free, Figma, a free tier as well, and you can use Google Workplace, free as well. Or you can use Google Workspace, which is free as well. First off, we're getting started for free, all right? Okay, so courses. We can use our courses. There's a gamut of different platforms we can use for our courses. You can use something like The Leap and get started for free. Loom, free as well. Google Slides, free as well. Or just a simple editor. And then, of course, you have other ones that are out there, but most of those do have a charge. So right now I'm giving you a list of the free alternatives. But I do suggest upgrading in some of those areas, like going for the Canva Pro. Let's continue. Step 3 is the platform. Let's compare the top 3 platforms. So, Etsy digital products. Here are the pros: built in traffic, easy setup. The cons: fees plus 20 cents per listing. And that fee can vary. So, it's really good for beginners. However, you don't own that platform, and Etsy can have a lot of control over your growth. There's been a lot of information, a lot of things out there as far as Etsy just deciding, don't like your store, bye, see ya. Yeah, you don't want that. But it's definitely easy to get in and get started creating things and figuring out what works. If you play your cards right, you could make $500 to $1,500 a month using Etsy. Again, that's not typical. I have multiple Etsy stores. That takes some movement and manipulating. All right, the next platform is Amazon. Amazon has a massive amount of traffic, like 66,000 purchases an hour. But you need approval, and competition is pretty steep. But it's excellent for print on demand. Their print on demand, or something like Gelato's new integration into Amazon's print on demand. Talk about that soon. Or you can use your own website or something like Shopify. You have full control with higher margins. However, you have to do all of the marketing, and it's best for long term growth. Now, I mentioned that we're going to talk about getting to your 10K months. So here's your roadmap. So, content strategy. We're going to use a popular method called the 3x3. So, you're going to use 3 platforms with 3 content types 3 times a week. That looks like maybe a long form YouTube video, a blog, a podcast, and then you're going to break that down over 3 different platforms to promote that at least 3 times a week. But you want great content to come out 3 times a week, not mediocre content. Then, number 2 is your email strategy. You have to have the perfect email sequence: a welcome email, a value email, a story email, an offer email, and the follow up. And number 3 is the launch strategy. So you're going to take 7 days. We're going to launch in 7 days. Day 1 to 3 is your teasers. You're going to tease the product. You're not going to give everything. You're going to make it very attractive. Day 4 to 5, you're going to educate. We've teased and now we're telling you about it. Then day 6, we're launching. Day 7, load. Here's your marketing framework that you need to hit those 10K months selling digital products online. Okay, so let's map out your path to 10K months. Low ticket strategy: $27 product, 370 products sold a month, or 12 sales a day. Mid ticket product: $97. That's 103 sales a month, or 3 to 4 sales a day. Higher ticket strategy: $197 product. That is 51 sales a month, or 2 sales a day. Now here's the pro tip: mix products for stable income. Have a good product mix. You can have some lower ticket products mixed in with some higher ticket products. So which pricing strategy feels right to you? Drop a 1, 2, or 3 below. So here are your next steps. If you want to know what digital product you should create and you don't know, there's a free quiz. Just click the link below. It takes 2 minutes and you can figure out what digital product you should create. Then choose your product type. What digital product are you going to sell? Set up your platform, create your first product, and launch in 7 days. Okay, regardless if you're a UGC creator, content creator, a stay-at-home mom, you work 9 to 5, or you don't even know what you do, digital products is a great way for the everyday person to use their skills and their abilities to make some extra cash and teach someone else. Isn't that the way the world goes around? We don't know what's going on in this market. It's so volatile up and down. But you want to start today. And especially my fellow UGC creators, AI is starting to take over. And we don't need to be in a constant frenzy. We need to support ourselves. So, my friends out there, all of you, please take the quiz and figure out which digital product works best for you. Come back and put in the comments. I would love to know which digital product you're going to create, because look, we're not getting any richer just sitting here, are we? Well, If you had a digital product that was selling, you would be. Anyway, guys, this is a great journey, and I am learning and doing everything right alongside you, and I am having a blast. Remember, the best time to get started was yesterday. The next best time is right now. So take the quiz and find out your digital product. It's free. Hit subscribe and the notification bell. I'm going to show you how to create a digital product and put it up for sale in less than 24 hours.